Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about hardware offload and we will see how disabling the hardware offload can help us to capture the packet capture like accurate packet capture in the Palo Alto firewall. So sometimes what happen is like due to some predefined criteria by the Palo Alto firewall, data may be offloaded during the network process. Such traffic it's not reaching to the data plane CPU and it will be not captured even if you will do the packet capture. So to capture all the traffic kind of that is you can say drop by due to hardware related issue, we have to disable the hardware offload. Okay, so like but for few traffics like for VPN traffic, IPsec traffic and ARP traffic, we can't do that offload also. But whenever you are doing the offload, you have to keep in mind one thing. It will very CPU intensive job. So you can see if your CPU utilization is less than you can say 50%, then only you can do. So once everything is done, like you can set the filters and you can create the stages for all like receive, transmit, drop and firewall. So once your stages is done, you can enable the filter. So once you will enable the filter, then you can log in into the CLI, and in CLI like you have to run one command, set session offload no. Then you can refresh that capture. Then you will see all kind of packet that is drop due to hardware issue also you will able to see, and you can investigate in Wireshark. That will be more helpful. And once you are done with this packet capture, don't forget to enable the hardware offload again. So for that you have to just do set session offload yes. So it will again be enabled. Thank you.